Okay, here we are closer to the finished project. I built a second boost converter, which is a higher power boost converter, can supply a large power to something like a motor. The logic for this boost converter, when I'm finished, will be driven by the first one I showed you earlier. So basically, what it does is it's another current limiting power supply. The idea of this one is to limit the current going to a motor, therefore limiting the power drawn out of the user. And I'll show you how that works right now. So right here we have my input power supply with current on the left and voltage on the right. Actually, turn this on first. So the idea is, if you are a person pedaling in your bike, voltage is set by how fast you pedal, and current is set by how hard you push. So this right now is driving my boost converter, which is going to this little motor over here, which, as you can see, is spinning pretty quickly. You can see right there. So I want you to just watch closely what happens when I start to put my finger on the motor and slow it down. As you can see, the current draw doesn't go up by much, and the voltage, of course, stays the same. So the idea here is, if you're driving on your bike and you start to go uphill, you would actually have to push just as hard as you were pushing earlier at the same speed to continue to go, and the motor would take care of the gear ratios. So what's actually happening here is my output voltage, when I put my finger on it, is dropping, and the current going to the motor is increasing. And you see, if I let go, it takes a little bit of time for it to reach its top speed. But overall, the current doesn't change by more than 0.1 amps, which is pretty close to what I wanted to do. And that's all done by this vehicle inductor right here, which is part of my second boost converter. So that's my most of my final product. I have a few things I want to tie up and tidy up a little bit, but other than that, it's pretty much done. So thanks for watching.